If you're in need of reliable and convenient waste disposal solutions, look no further. Welcome to A&R Roll-Offs, L.L.C, your trusted partner for efficient waste management and dumpster rental in Mooresville, Indiana. We pride ourselves on delivering top-notch services that simplify the waste management process for a variety of projects, ensuring a seamless experience from start to finish. Our commitment to excellence is reflected in our diverse dumpster sizes suitable for different applications. Whether it's a residential cleanup, a construction project, or a commercial renovation, A&R Roll-Offs, L.L.C has the perfect size dumpster to meet your specific needs. With prompt delivery and flexible rental periods, we make managing your waste easy without any unnecessary complications. We offer the convenience of our services and our dedication to customer satisfaction. Committing to reliability, transparency, and a straightforward rental process, we aim to make waste management as easy as possible for our clients. For efficient waste solutions that meet your project's unique needs, choose A&R Roll-Offs, L.L.C. Call us today at 317-680-3867 or visit www.arrollofts.com. Dumpster Rental, Mooresville, Indiana. Trust A&R Roll-Offs, L.L.C and experience the efficiency and excellence that set us apart.